Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study With Me. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all 12 study tips that you could follow in your everyday lives to improve your studies. And these tips will enhance your overall study routine. So without further ado, let's get started. First and the foremost tip is to find a comfortable study place. Your study place must be quiet, comfortable, it must have enough light, etc. That is, it must be a place with all the comforts. Pratham tip to hol, amar kitab poha thai dokhor aramdayok hobo lage, puhor hobo lage, aru hulustulia hobo nalage. Second important tip is to keep away all the distractions. So to improve our studies, we must switch off the phone and all such things that diverts our attention. Amar montuk divert koibo pora jikunu bostu ami poha homoykhini durat thobo lage aru chesta koribo lage jate jikon ami pohisu bhalke pohu jen. Third is to eat wholesome food. Whatever one eats and drink is reflected a lot in their studies. And eating wholesome food improves our memory. So we must eat a balanced diet. আমি পুষ্টিকৰ খাদ্য খালে আমাৰ পঢ়িবলৈ মন যোৱাৰ লগতে আমাৰ মগজুৰ বিকাশ হ'ব আৰু তেতিয়া পঢ়াবোৰ মনত ৰব। Fourth is to make a to-do list. Making a to-do list can be extremely helpful. To-do list gives us a sense of accomplishment and progress. It motivates a person to do more. It helps to plan a day. To-do listot আমি আমাৰ দিনটোত কৰিবলগীয়া কামখিনি লিখো। To-do listখনৰ কামখিনি কৰি হলে মনত উৎসাহ বাঢ়ে আৰু ভালকৈ কৰিবলৈ। To-do list বনালে আমাৰ সময় অপব্যয় নহয় আৰু দিনটোত কৰিবলগীয়া কামখিনিও সফল হৈ উঠে। Fifth is to make a timetable. Another most important tip is to make a timetable so that we can dedicate or give our precious time or hour to something. A timetable is very important. টাইম-টেবল বা ৰুটিন এখন বনোৱাটো খুবেই প্ৰয়োজন যাতে আমাৰ মূল্যৱান সময়খিনি অপব্যয় নহয়। টাইম-টেবল এখন বনালে আমি নিৰ্দিষ্টকৈ গম পাওঁ যে কোনখিনি সময়ত কোনটো কাম কৰিব লাগে। Sixth is to revise before lecture. By doing this, we get an idea of what the teacher is going to teach. আমি সদায় ক্লাছ কৰিবলৈ যোৱাৰ আগত আগদিনাখন পঢ়াই যোৱা আৰু সেইদিনাখন পঢ়াবলগীয়াখিনি অলপমান চাই যাব লাগে যাতে আমি কি পঢ়াব তাৰ আভাস পাওঁ। Seventh is to stay hydrated. Most important tip is to stay hydrated. Always keep a water bottle with you. আমি পঢ়াৰ মাজে মাজে পানী খাব লাগে। হে পানী বটল এটা কাখত লৈ ল'ব লাগে যিহেতু আমাৰ বাবে পানী খুবেই জৰুৰী। Eighth is to reward ourselves. We must reward ourselves after doing hard work. Suppose, for example, after finishing a certain chapter, we can reward ourselves by giving or doing our favorite things like using Instagram for 10 to 15 minutes, listening to our favorite song, eating our favorite chocolate, etc. Rewards can be anything. It motivates a person to do more such hard work. আমি কোনো এটা পাঠ বা কঠিন প্ৰশ্ন পঢ়ি শেষ কৰাৰ পিছত নিজে নিজকে পুৰস্কৃত কৰিব লাগে। এনে কৰিলে মনত উৎসাহ বাঢ়ে আৰু কষ্ট কৰিবলৈ। Ninth is to practice. As we all know that practice makes a man perfect, we must practice what all we have learned on a regular basis so that it remains in our memory. If we do not practice regularly, we may forget what we have learned. আমি নিতো অনুশীলন কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ পঢ়াখিনি মনত ৰৈ যায়। নিতো অনুশীলন নকৰিলে পঢ়াখিনি পাহৰি যোৱাৰ সম্ভাৱনা থাকে। 10th is to find a best time to study. We must choose a best time for studying. Some students like to study early in the morning, some in the afternoon, while some at night. So we must choose a time in which we are comfortable studying and our mind is ready. সকলোৱে বেলেগ বেলেগ সময়ত পঢ়ি ভাল পায় গতিকে আমি আমাৰ ভাল লগা আৰু পঢ়িবলৈ মন যোৱা সময়টোতহে পঢ়িব লাগে। 11th tip is to take breaks. We must take 10 to 15 minutes break in between studies so that our mind gets refreshed. During the break, we can have a cup of tea or coffee or do anything that will help us give a sense of refreshment. পঢ়াৰ মাজতে আমি 10-15 মিনিটৰ বিৰতি ল'ব লাগে যাতে আমাৰ মনটো ভাল লাগে আৰু আকৌ পঢ়িবলৈ মন যায়। 12th is to do the difficult ones at first. We all have a habit of doing the easy ones or our favorite subjects at first, but this is wrong. We must always do those subjects in which we are weak. আমি সদায় আমাৰ বাবে যিটো বিষয় কঠিন প্ৰথমে হেতু পঢ়িব লাগে। So these were the 12 study tips that you could follow to improve your studies. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for further notifications of my videos. Thank you.